In this video, I am going to show you that how to fix Roblox Studio login error. Before moving on, you can support me by liking my video and also subscribing my channel. Let me guide. So first of all, you have to open your favorite browser. I am using the Chrome browser and search here for the status.roblox.com and then hit the enter. Such type of the interface will open for you. Just scroll down and search for the studio option here and check in front of this option. If the operational option is in green color, then you have to be wait for some time and your problem will be resolved. You have to just restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved and you will be successfully log into your Roblox Studio. Otherwise, you have to just open your control panel and click on the uninstalling program option here, and then here search for the Roblox Studio and then just click on it and uninstall it for some time. After some time, you have to just again install again and your problem will be fixed. If not, then you have to just check your internet connection. If you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just check the fiber cable and then again adjust it. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in my description. So that's all for this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.